Hello and welcome. Today we are going to see rectangle option presented in the sketch tab. So first of all, I'll select new, file, new, then part. To demonstrate sketch of rectangle option, I will select one plane. I've selected top plane. I can draw a sketch over it. I will so this rectangle option is present in the sketch tab. Here you can see rectangle corner rectangle. So if as soon as you click the drop down, 5 options will appear. So in these ways you can make rectangle, and last option is for parallelogram. So first we will select corner rectangle. Those 5 options, as I have shown you in the drop down, appeared here also. So below that you can see add construction line. So I will check it and 2 options appear from midpoint. So okay, we will draw one rectangle. So this first option, in this first option you can draw rectangle using 2 points. Those 2 points are diagonally opposite. So I'll click anywhere on the sketch, and then I will drag, and then I will leave depending upon the size of this rectangle I want. So I will leave here. So I have taken this add construction line in the left hand side, you can see. So and I have digged from midpoint, so the construction line appeared from the midpoint. Okay, and in the left hand side you can also see a few more options, like here you can see for construction. So what will happen if you click this, then the sides of the rectangle will become construction line, and as soon as you uncheck it, then they will become normal line as they were. And this option is fixed option. If you want to constrain your image, your sketch, then you can use this fixed option. And these relations, horizontal and vertical, are already present. So now I'll check it. So my sketch, I've drawn the rectangle. My rectangle is fully constrained also. So the benefit of giving constraint is, you suppose you have drawn a sketch and you do not want that sketch to change its dimension, not by itself. Suppose you have accidentally drag it. Okay, so but if your sketch is constant, then you cannot drag it. So you can see here also, as soon as I try to drag it, so it is appearing cannot drag, the selected item is fixed. So your sketch will not change its shape, means by if you accidentally try to change its shape. Suppose I have drawn a rectangle and I have not given constraint, so it is, I can change its shape and size. Okay, I hope you have understood the meaning of constraint. Now I'll delete this. I'll uncheck this add construction line. I'll draw one rectangle. Okay, so suppose you have drawn a rectangle and you want to change the dimension of this particular line only. So what you will do, you will click it. Before clicking, I will change this this relation. This is the vertical relation. I will delete it. I will click over it and I will select delete. Now suppose I want to change the dimension of this line, then I will click over it and then I can change. See, I can change the dimension, but with the as soon as you change the length, the rectangle will change its size too. So suppose you want to change the angle, you can change the angle too. So and suppose you want to make that line infinite, that you can do too. And I will uncheck it, and then if you want to make that particular line construction line, then you can do that also. So in this these are the options available under this rectangle command. So few more ways we can make a rectangle, like center rectangle. As soon as you click, that would be the center of that rectangle you are going to draw, and you can drag it, and then depending about the size of the rectangle you want, and then you can click. Okay, your rectangle is ready. So this is the option, center rectangle. I will delete it too. Then we'll see three-corner rectangle, 3-point corner rectangle. I'll click here and draw 3 corner. This is the first I have selected this center origin. Then you can the second point you can select anywhere here. Suppose I will select here. It can be at any angle. Suppose I will select here, and then you can either go to this side, go to that side. Suppose this much I want. Now here you can change the angle now also. So suppose I want to change the angle, draw one horizontal line. I'll give dimensions, I want to give 50. Okay, so so if you are new, you can check, and if you do not know how to give dimensions properly, if you want to see all the options of the dimensions, you can check out my video. I will give the link in the description. So I'll delete this rectangle too. I will see 3-point center rectangle. As the name suggests, it will appear. It will start from the center, and then you can select any angle, and then you can draw this rectangle. In the left hand side you can see many options available. So those options I have explained you in the 2-point rectangle, corner rectangle option, during the corner rectangle option when I am explaining that. So these are the ways you can make a rectangle. Now the last option is parallelogram. So select select the first point, then the second at any angle you want here, and then select here. So these are the options available under this rectangle, corner rectangle, center, and all this we have just seen. So these depending upon the situation you are in, you can use these options, and if you have any query related to this option, you can ask me, comment me in the comment section, and please like this video, and please do share and subscribe. Thank you.